Is it possible to hack Instagram? Can we hack someone's Instagram account? Have you tried to hack Instagram account and it didn't work? Watch this video and learn why it does not work. We all use Instagram and many of us has searched on YouTube how to hack Instagram. But the question is, can we hack Instagram account? Is it possible for a normal user to hack anybody's Instagram account? So there is no system in this world that cannot be hacked. Every system, every network can be hacked. Similarly, Instagram can also hack. There are tons of websites and applications claiming that are able to hack Instagram account, but they are fake. They don't work. In reality, those apps and websites make you download harmful software that can infect your computer or phone and steal your information instead of hacking someone else's account. Let's first learn in a simple way how our passwords are stored in a database, which will help you to understand why those hacking apps are fake. Let's use Instagram as an example in our explanation. Instagram does not save your password, but it does save the hash of the password. A hash is a cryptographic function. It is a mathematical algorithm that maps data over. Let's think of a hash as a program which makes a string, in our case the password, and it outputs another string, and it looks like this. It means Instagram save your password in a cryptographic format like this. And not just Instagram, but any other good and secure website out there doesn't save your raw password. When you are opening an account, you give your email and your password. The moment you click sign up, the password goes through the hash program, and the hashed program altogether with all your information is sent and saved in the Instagram database. When you want to log in your Instagram account, in the moment you click sign in, the password you just wrote in the browser or in the app will be hashed, and together with your username or email will be sent to the Instagram server, and if such a combination is found, then you are logged in. But wait, you know that one guy called hacker by everyone who accessed someone's account? Well, he stole the password. Those guys are using stealing methods to steal password. I will mention some of the stealing passwords and information techniques that hackers use to hack password. If someone sends you a link to open an Instagram, it's a duplicate website that looks like the original one. The person can steal your password if you log in there. That's why never enter your information to a suspicious link that somebody sent you. In this method, you don't need victim's phone or computer. Keylogger is a software that is installed on the victim's phone or computer, and it runs in the background. It records everything you type on the keyboard. You must have physical access to someone's computer or mobile to install a keylogger. Next is spy apps. Actually, these apps are designed for parental control. You can install these apps on your child's phone to monitor their activity. But someone can also install these apps on your cell phone, and these apps will hide in your phone. This method is also illegal. You cannot access anyone's Instagram account without their permission. You can only use these apps on your child's cell phone. If you already installed any of these programs that claim to hack password, please remove them. Scan your computer or phone because it might be a keylogger or spy apps, and you can become a victim of someone else. So the final conclusion is Instagram account can be hacked by installing keylogger or suspicious apps or by sending a suspicious links. Be aware by such types of hacking attempts. So that's it for this video.